Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use set credential, that is a part of Credential's VBO. So here we are getting the credential and then we are generating the password. Now let me show you, after generating the password, how can we set that updated password to the credentials. Now if we will take this action, so earlier you have seen that we have one action in which we can generate the password and we can set directly to the credential. But here we have, let me select credential, here we have one separate that is just used to set the updated credential to your specific credential. Now if you select this one, it will ask you to give the input as your credential name, username and password. So here we are going to update our password. So we'll take our credential, we already have this one, and we'll take this username. So here you can see why we are taking this get credential, because we want to get our current username, and against this username we'll update our generated password, right? So we'll change from text to password. Now click OK, and now double click on this, and then here we need to pass the password. It means this is the updated password we are going to set to this credential against this username. Now there is nothing in the output, so only we are going to set the updated this password to the credential this username. Now click OK, link this one, reset this, right click, set next stage and run one by one. Now you can see here we have this username and this password. Now this password we are going to now generate here. Now you can see here we have generated the password, and now we are going to update this latest updated password to the credentials, this credential manager against this username. Now you can see here we have updated now. So next time whenever we'll run that, we'll get the updated credential, right? So by this way you can use set credential and you can set the credential to your credential manager. It will update the updated password to the credential against existing username. So I hope you like this video. If so, then please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.